Is your partner's snoring keeping you awake at night? Get a great night's sleep thanks to Snoreeze. Before you begin, you'll need a mirror, a measuring bowl or a jug, access to a cold water tap, a kettle and a timer. Make sure you clean your teeth before you start the fitting process. Turn the screws on either side of the device clockwise until they're fully screwed in. Fold the oral device so that the screws are on the inside. Practice putting it in your mouth and removing it. Fill a bowl or a jug with 100 ml of cold water. Now add 400 ml of boiling water. With the oral device fully flat, submerge it in the water for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Carefully remove the oral device from the hot water. Place the device in your mouth with the blocks on your lower teeth. Bite down firmly. Use your fingers to keep it in place for 2 minutes. Remove the device from your mouth and hold it under cold running water for 30 seconds. This will set the moulding. Place the device in your mouth and check that it fits securely and centrally on your teeth. Get a good night's sleep with Snoreeze.